Open the Thread Cat Part document. Click Thread Tap. The Thread Tap definition dialog box is displayed. Select the cylindrical surface as shown. Thread and tap definitions do not depend on the polarity of the cylinder geometry. The Thread Tap capability lets you specify whether you wish to create a thread or a tap just by checking the appropriate option. Because of the geometrical element type you have just selected, by default, the application proposes you to create a thread. The thread option is now enabled and a new help image is displayed in the dialog box. However, if you prefer to create a tap, just select Tap. Select the upper face as the limit face. Limit faces must be planar. The application previews the thread. In the dialog box, the geometrical definition frame displays the name of the faces you have selected. The reverse direction button, as well as the arrow in the geometry area, lets you reverse the thread direction if needed. The numerical definition frame provides 3 different thread types: no standard, metric thin pitch, metric thick pitch. For the purposes of our scenario, keep no standard. As you are creating a thread, you cannot modify the thread diameter value. If you were creating a tap, you could modify it. Enter 49 mm as the thread depth. Note that the support diameter and support height fields are grayed. They are merely informative. Enter 1.5 mm as the pitch value. The pitch field defines the distance between each crest. Check left threaded. Click Preview. Red lines provide a simplified representation of the thread. Click OK to confirm. There is no geometrical representation in the geometry area, but the thread is added to the specification tree. The corresponding icon is specific to this feature. Diameter, depth and pitch values appear below thread in the specification tree. If you create a tap, the application identifies it as thread 2 in the specification tree, but displays a specific icon as shown.